This activity is going to be blow dryer bowling. As you can see, we have a big box here just to help contain our pins and our ball. We have been using empty tie-dye bottles as our pins, but feel free to grab anything around that you have that might be lightweight, like cans or toilet paper rolls. And then we also have a lightweight ball. We also programmed our step-by-step on another level to include comments and cheering so other students can participate while they're waiting their turn or after they hit the switch to make their bowling ball go too. The crowd goes wild. If you're playing with multiple students, you can choose teams and you can choose a team name, maybe using the alternative pencil. We also included a score sheet if you want to keep score. We're going to keep score on this blank piece of paper. And yeah, when you're ready, Kens, you can go first. Make that bowling ball go. Ooh, close. It's my turn. You can repeat the activity for as long as you want, take as many turns as you want. This is great for a recess option, a PE option, or a field day option.